What if Amir got mad and attacked everyone? First, under the title of Goat of Uber Eats, he called on other Uber drivers to strike and overthrow the Indian government. The movement gained momentum quickly, and Amir soon seized control, becoming the leader of the country. His next move was an attack on Pakistan. Despite fierce resistance from Pakistan's military, India's overwhelming strength proved too much. In a matter of hours, Pakistan had no choice but to surrender. Amir's ambitions didn't stop there. Bhutan and Bangladesh were also in his sights. Taking advantage of his military superiority, Amir swiftly captured the land between these two nations. But his eyes were set on a bigger target: the Chinese Uber Eats market. A brutal war broke out between India and China, but India couldn't break through China's formidable defenses. Just when it seemed like a stalemate, Amir made a bold, unprecedented decision that would change the course of the entire conflict, tipping the balance in India's favor. Guess what will happen next in part 2?